Let's see the next question. Obtain the expression for potential at any point due to an electric dipole. So, let us consider a point P as before, and this time we consider the polar coordinates r theta. So, this is how our figure looks like. AB is the dipole, minus q plus q the charges, twice L is the length of the dipole, midpoint is O. We consider any point P, and this line OP makes an angle theta. So the polar coordinate is r theta because it's at a distance of r. This point P is at a distance of r from O. So let us begin with the answer. As shown in the figure, let P be a point at a large distance r from the dipole. Let r theta be the polar coordinates of P. Now how do we start the derivation? So we drop two perpendiculars AD and BC like this. The red dotted lines. BC is a perpendicular which is drawn to OP from the point B, and AD from the point A. Another perpendicular. So the line OP is extended up to OD. So in order to proceed with our derivation, we have to do this. Two perpendicular lines are to be made as shown in the figure. Now if we look at the figure closely, BP, that is the distance between the charge plus Q and the point P, can be expressed as BP is now equal to CP. So BP is now equal to CP, and this CP is nothing but OP minus this distance OC. So if we look at this triangle, what is OC? OC is nothing but L cos theta. Okay, so this distance is L, hypotenuse is L. So this is a right angle triangle, the triangle OBC. So if we want to find what is OC, then it is L cos theta. So what is CP then? CP is OP minus OC, means total distance of OP is R and OC is L cos theta. So R minus L cos theta. So we write it. Similarly for AP. AP is now equal to DP which is equal to OP plus OD. So what is OD? So this angle also is theta, vertically opposite angle. So this time OD is nothing but L cos theta. So now we have the distance of the charges from the point P in this form. BP is R minus L cos theta and AP is R plus L cos theta. So now we just put it in the formula. For the charge plus Q, if potential is V1, so just put in the formula. Q by BP, but what is BP? Just now we saw R minus L cos theta. Similarly, for the charge minus Q, it is AP, distance is AP, and just we have seen that AP is nothing but R plus L cos theta. Resultant V, V1 plus V2, take common, simple algebraic relation, A minus B, A plus B, so A square minus B square, simple subtraction, R cancelled, twice L cos theta, this side Q is left, so make it twice QL so that we can write it as P. P is the dipole moment. Neglect L square cos square theta because R is very, very large than L, and obtain the final expression. If you want to write it in vector form, this is the equation.